Today we are going to use the integral key on a Casio FX-991EX calculator. For the first example we put on our calculator, we press the integral key. It's a fraction, so we press the fraction key. The numerator is 2 root of x. We input that. Denominator using an arrow, down arrow, we press x. Now we put our upper limit, so we use our arrow to get to the upper limit. Upper limit is 4, down arrow to get lower limit, which is 1. Then we use our arrow again, press the equal sign, and we get the answer as 4. For the second example, we press the integral key. Let's input the upper and the lower limits first. So we use our arrow, we input the upper limit, which is 4, down arrow, lower limit, which is 1. Now we remove the arrow. Now we press the fraction key and we input the numerator, which is 1, arrow, down arrow, brackets x plus 3, close brackets, square. Remove the arrow, press the equal sign, and we will get 0.1071428571. So the example, we press the integral key. It's a trig, so we press sine of x, close brackets. Now let's input the upper limit, which is a fraction. So you press the fraction key. It's pi on 3. So we press shift, multiply 10 to the power x, which is to get pi. Then we use the arrow, numerator is 3, arrow to get the lower limit, which is 0, press the equal sign, and we get the answer as 0.5.